The Home Doctor, Practical Medicine for Every Household, is a 304-page doctor-written and approved guide on how to manage most health situations when help is not on the way. If you want to see what happens when things go south, all you have to do is look at Venezuela. No electricity, no running water, no law, no antibiotics, no painkillers, no anesthetics, no insulin or other important things. But if you want to find out how you can still manage in a situation like this, you must also look to Venezuela and learn the ingenious ways they developed to cope. About Dr. Mabel Nieves. Dr. Mabel Nieves, head surgeon of the Unit of Breast Pathology and general surgeon at Caracas University Hospital in Venezuela, with over 10 years of experience in the operating room. She studied at the prestigious European Institute of Oncology in Milan, Italy. Dr. Mabel is known for developing new, ingenious methods of treating patients after Venezuela's economy collapsed and hospitals and pharmacies ran out of medicines, supplies, electricity and running water. The methods she developed and pioneered are now studied and applied in conflict zones all over the world. Many of these protocols and procedures do not require medical assistance as they are specifically designed to be self-applied. That makes them extremely valuable if the medical system cannot be depended on, like during long-term blackouts. You can find some of these methods below. As you read them, you can easily understand why they are so useful and why every household and family should have them close by. She co-authored the book with Dr. Rodrigo Alterio and Claude Davis. Here's just a small glimpse of what you'll find in The Home Doctor, Practical Medicine for Every Household. This book is a unique guide for the layman that you can use when help is not on the way or to manage common ailments that don't require seeing a doctor. Let me show you just some of the things you'll find inside the Home Doctor. 10 medical supplies you need to have in your house. These supplies are not expensive and should still be available, but they tend to run out fast. In case you haven't realized it yet, most of the medical supplies and pills we take for granted come from China and India. This supply chain is vulnerable and can be interrupted by something like an EMP. One of the 10 supplies you should have in advance is a painkiller called naproxen, which is over-the-counter and more powerful than others like ibuprofen for example.